Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you're viewing this video. Welcome back to another school year at Lee Summit West High School. My name's Mark Lutman. I'm going to have your son or daughter in my ACT prep classroom. This year obviously is going to look a little bit different, but this fall is going to be way different than what you might have experienced in the spring. The expectation for your student is going to be that of what they would have in a normal school day. I will be doing live videos. I will be annotating my notes or having your students annotate their notes, whether it's a synchronous or an asynchronous video or meeting. So what does a typical day look like? Well, we're going to have an A-B style with our collaboration will be on Wednesdays. So your son or daughter with ACT Prep is going to get videos and practice within the day. So they need to be very aware of their attendance just like they would in a normal day. Please make sure that they are checking in online every single day. ACT is a class that we have taught for several years now and had phenomenal results. I get emails all the time, especially with the situation we're in right now, of students telling me how they have done on the science section of the test, and it's always been great. So the more your student puts into this, the more they study, the more they read, the more they try and figure out how the science section is set up, the better they're going to do, or the better they're going to improve their score. So initially, it's going to be a lot of online type stuff for your students to view. We might have live chats that people might have questions. We'll set up a discussion board, but this is going to require a little bit above and beyond what a normal class might be, but this is going to be a practice. So I will have tests for them to practice on every single class period, and it's a quick turnaround. So your teacher in 3.5 weeks is going to be different than me. So there are 4 teachers that teach this course. So every 3.5 weeks, your son or daughter is going to have a new teacher. So please make sure that you are aware of that switch. Please talk to your son or daughter about that switch. And then the big thing for us in this virtual setting is nothing really is going to change from that of the school day. Please make sure that your son or daughter checks in every single day. Attendance is going to be taken, and everything is going to be very similar to what they would experience in the normal school day. So please encourage your students. That's all we have ever asked, or that's all I have ever asked. Please encourage your son or daughter to do the best that they can. If they have questions, please make sure they're posting or emailing me personally throughout the day, as we will be here in the school building just like we normally would if we were to have kids. So we are going to be on our emails. We're going to be on our gradebook, Schoology, whatever the platform might be at this point, but we are going to be here for you. So please make sure that you talk to your son or daughter and make them feel comfortable, because this is the situation, so we're making the best that we can. So again, welcome to Lee Summit West, another school year, ACT Prep. So if you have any questions, please refer to the syllabus that is online or in Schoology. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day wherever you are and whatever the day might bring you. Take care.